We have an unboxing today. Not just a unboxing, a mega unboxing.
Okay, Kaden, are you ready for the unboxing? What are we doing? We got a lot of unboxings because I just
hit my leg.
You hit your leg.
I hit my leg while trying to do the unboxing.
You were too excited. Okay, let's get into it. We have a lot of fall scents. We got a lot of new scents. We got even some.
We got scissors.
New scents from new companies.
We got
big scissors. We got.
Me trying to open stuff with scissors.
What are you trying to open? Oh, he's quick at it. What do you got?
I got a big. Whoa. That's really big.
So that is from Kuhn Company. I'm actually going to try his hair clay.
Hair.
Very awesome.
Look at the bottom of that.
I know, it's hair clay.
Well, I shouldn't show him the bottom. I should show him the front, but the bottom just as cool. Nice packaging. Or.
It's a nice.
Whoa.
See, it's for. Remember how we put that stuff in our hair? It keeps it in hold.
Oh.
That's a nice smell too. It's a very nice smell. Kind of almost.
It is.
Cologne-ish, maybe.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. I can't wait to try it. So.
We're gonna put it in our hair.
Well. Yeah.
I am.
You are? You were gonna put it. You're gonna try it out too.
It's gonna be me. It's gonna be all me. I run the show.
Okay.
We're gonna go with.
So what do we got next?
Chronic Beard.
Chronic
Beard.
Beard. So
one?
this is a new fall scent.
This is a new fall scent. Oh.
That I ordered, and you get to guess. You have to tell me what you think when we see the name.
Tum Tum, give me gum gum. Sorry.
Tum Tum, give me gum gum. That's funny. Okay.
No, I cut the paper.
You cut the. It's just a package.
I cut the very top.
Don't worry about it. We got
the very top.
Cool card with the Chronic logo.
Ooh,
Very cool. We love it.
Ooh.
And a sticker.
A sticker.
Okay, let's get into that. Oil too?
Yes, it did. I'm just struggling.
He's struggling with the Okay.
Chronic Beard.
What does it say the name of it
Salem's Smoke.
Salem Smoke. Where is Salem? What is Salem?
What is Salem, Dad?
It is a city in the East Coast, on the East Coast, Northeast Coast, and it is famous for the witch trials. The Salem Witch Trials. Is it nice?
Very smoky.
Oh, that is really good.
Very,
Holy
very
moly.
smoky.
Okay.
How's it feel though? I think that's a light.
Yeah.
Tap it. It comes off.
It's a butter. So it's a butter. So I ordered a butter. And butters are usually smooth.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is very similar smell. Smoky, earthy,
very
fallish.
Good.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Oh, that is really good.
We got the.
Yeah, we'll have to, when we do the review on this in a few days, we'll tell you more about it. But right now we're saying fall scent. Has a little bit of smoke to it. I'm getting it. And I think it's almost like a fall cologne.
I think it is. I think it is a fall. Yeah, it is a fall cologne. Look at this. He has it fall colors.
It is. That's what I'm saying. It's a fall scent.
Oh.
I dug into the fall scents this time.
Where did you? Dun dun dun.
So we have a lot of fall scents.
Oh, what is it? Give me 1 minute.
Oh, don't try to rip the box with the... See, those things are made so you can't rip it. That's the whole point of it.
Well, why? Why?
Because they don't want you to... when it's being shipped, they don't want it ripped open. So that's why it's so hard to... What are you doing?
Oh, that's why.
Oh, and we still...
And we still haven't gone. Oh, we got there. We got there.
Okay, we did.
We hit it. We struck gold.
Who is that even from? Let's check that out. Who's that from? I'll bet you I know who it is, and you won't know.
I bet you it's
from our old friend. Guess.
Iowa Beard Company.
Yes. Guess who it is again? Guess who the friend is? It's Iowa Beard Company, and guess what it is? It's
something
another
pineapple.
fall scent, not pineapple.
Oh. It's the other
It's
ghost
the
man.
hot-
It's the other ghost man.
It's another ghost man, and that he is named the Hatbox Ghost. And the Hatbox Ghost actually is not really... He's now part of the ride, but he wasn't part of the ride for a long time because he was deep. But now he's only in Disneyland. So if you want to see Hatbox Ghost, he's in Disneyland.
Have fun taking it off.
You.
Oh no.
I can't wait to try this because I saw caramel in the scent profile on this
I'm
one.
gonna see pineapple.
There's no pineapple in this
There's
one.
no pineapple?
No pineapple. Darn it, no pineapple.
No pineapple!
So here is a little card from Iowa Beard Co. I also have a shirt coming.
It's new.
I'll have to show that in a few. His butter is just amazing. So I
Wow.
ordered the butter with his. Oh, that is really good. And you can totally smell the caramel in there. It has caramel, it has fall.
It has pineapple. I'm joking.
Pineapple. There is 0 pineapple in that one.
It smells really nice though.
Okay, what is it? Does this have a scent profile on
Let me see.
it? I don't think it does.
Directions, ingredients, directions.
So we'll have to, I know it has caramel in it, and a hint of caramel, but I smelled the hint of caramel immediately.
It smells more caramely.
Oh, it's like apple and caramel. Apple and caramel. Just caramel apple right there.
And that's
and
fall
green
scents.
apple. Yeah, totally great.
Green apple is very good.
I love green
apple better than normal apple.
Yeah, I think that's green apple. Well, it's just a really good apple smell. Okay, so now we're moving on
Now we're moving on to
this is the
new company.
Tombstone Mustachery.
Tombstone Mustache. Oh.
We picked up something in Tombstone, Arizona, and we wanted to share their company with you. I've actually been talking, I live in Arizona, so I've been talking to this company for a bit.
And it is called Arizona Sunset.
Shake it up a little bit, because that one has a little bit of complexity to it. Not that the other ones didn't. Oh, that caramel apple is so good.
Lighter smell, lemony.
Lemon.
You're gonna smell lemon.
Oh, that's lemongrass. Lemongrass, tea tree. Oh, it has some other things. It has some citrus. Yeah, citrus definitely has some lemongrass, and then it has some tea tree. I can smell
And with
tea
the
tree.
sunset, we
I
have
love
the
tea tree.
sunrise.
And we have sunrise, which... Did he put the scent profile on here? I don't know if he did. But we went to... Where did we go to get these? Tombstone, Arizona. And it is the town Too Tough to Die.
What's that mean?
It still has the Old West stuff going on.
Oh, is that...
It wouldn't die. It wouldn't die. You have to shake it up a little bit. These are all essential oils, so very cool. I absolutely love all essential oil companies as well as fragrance oil companies. So
very light smell, but very good.
that is a really light smell. I think I almost smell a little bit of tea tree. I'm not sure.
That's Tombstone.
But definitely essential oils in it.
Is that Arizona Sunrise or Tombstone
This is-
Sunrise?
I think this
It's
is
Tombstone.
Tombstone.
Sunrise.
Yeah, Tombstone Sunrise.
And then we can have the Arizona Sunset and Bomb.
Yeah. And this is Arizona Sunset. This is Tombstone Sunrise.
Wow.
Yep, it's a balm. How's it?
Dad, look at that.
Yep, some clear white beeswax.
Lighter smell.
Yeah, it's a lighter smell, but I like it. Yeah, it's good. So we'll be trying that over the next bit here.
And then we got the big. Oh wait, I'm gonna move these right here, so we have more room.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff today. Okay.
We have a big orange box.
Big orange box, and
Wait, one
this.
And the unboxing. This is. Whoa.
Pretty
Dad.
cool. This is from Bearded Rebel, Black Rebel Beard Company. And we got a combo from them.
Whoa. I've never seen anything like
Pretty
this.
cool, huh?
Look at these.
It is Black Rebel Beard Company, and this is, what's it called?
Super Scout.
Super Scout, which is one of Joe's.
Oh, Dad, feel it.
Oh, that's very nice.
Cologne.
Cologne, yep. Oh, that's a beautiful cologne. Yeah, totally. Oh, that's nice.
Now, normally I feel like bombs have lighter smells, but that is
I think
a
that's a
very
butter.
strong. Oh, butter?
Does it say butter?
I thought it was bomb.
Maybe it says. I don't think it is. I think it's a butter.
Well,
What does it say?
bomb and butter have normally lighter smells.
Yeah.
And this one definitely has a strong smell. I mean, it's very strong.
Oh, that's a beautiful
Then
cologne.
we got the wrapping paper.
Yep, that's the end of that. End of wrapping paper.
I don't want to go back.
Oh, it's life. Okay, well, thank you guys very much. We have so much stuff to try out over the next month or 2 or 3 or 4.
Or 5 or 6 or 7
But
or 8
thank
or
you
9
guys
or
so
10.
much. This is very nice. We appreciate it.
I have a mustache now.
He's a mustachery.
No.
Is it a bat?
No puns.
It's a bat. He's gonna put a bat as a mustache. I want a mustache so bad. It's a bat. What's up
then?
with your vote for Pedro? Oh. Hello.
Hello!
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Then install the stickers we got you.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Stickers!